Welcome to TRONICS. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install the Sidhu effect located in the description box below. Then you want to drag and drop your main clip into the timeline. Step 2. Go to the effects panel and search for the Sidhu MOOSEWALA effect and apply it. Step 3. Go to transform. In position, change the x-axis to 150.6 and the y-axis to 8.2. Then change the scale to 119, scale X to 98.28 and scale Y to 119. Step 4. Go to the Sidhu effect and change the film burn amount to 0. Perforation scale to 11.89 the position x-axis to -76.7 the y-axis to -2.1 scratchy's opacity to 100, dust to 100, hairs to 10, saturation amount to -100, jitter amount to 0.12, and the perforation border width to 10.26. Step 5. Import the scratches clip provided with the download into the timeline. Step 6. Go to the effects panel, go to distortion and apply the crop and feather effect to the scratches clip. Step 7. Within crop and feather, we are going to change the roundness to 32. Step 8. We are going to transform and resize the clip so that it fits within the square. Pause the video here and copy my settings if you want. Step 9. Change the blend mode to subtract. Then open up the colour board and turn down the saturation. Step 10. Using the blade tool, make multiple slits to the clip. Then you can rearrange or delete some portions of the effect, depending upon when and where you want the effect to take place. All done, now you can play back your clip. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.